Hello everyone, for this tutorial I came up with a new video for you on the way I retouch my studio photo. So as you can see, I am in camera roll right now. I'm making some adjustments. I'm decreasing the highlight and the light and increase the shadows. You can do these settings depending on the kind of image you get, so keep following me. If you're new on my channel, I invite you to like and subscribe if you want to improve your photography skills, because I put a lot of effort in my videos and you will find free roll and free loads on my channel, so you don't have to pay for them. So I think it's a good idea if you subscribe on my channel. It's good for you and also for me, so you can support me. Now we have come into this step 2. We will remove the wrinkles and make some adjustment into the background. As you can see, there's a part of the photo that got a white, so we will try to remove it. If we cannot remove it, we will just try to reduce it. I think it's because of the lens, maybe finger, I don't know what happened. So I'm going to try to fix it by using the selective color. So as you can see, it disappeared a little bit. So now I'm trying to clone the texture, especially the texture. Now we got some footprint, so we'll try to reduce them. This kind of pattern on the flow make the footprint very difficult to remove, so we'll try to mix them a little bit and try to make them disappear, as you can see. So keep following me in case you face some problems like that, so you can easily fix them. So now I'm removing the wrinkles in the background. So I'll speed up the video a little bit, so I don't want the video to be too long. So keep following me. I'm using the mixer brush to do that. So I'm repeating you, it's very important that you subscribe to my channel and you watch my other videos, because I got a lot of tutorial and there are free loads and free roll if you want to practice. In some of the videos you will have to keep watching them till the end, because the password of the loot are in the video. Now we'll use liquify to reduce hair belly, as you can see. So keep watching. I'm going to reduce the brush. But we have to make it realistic, so we go in the direction of her arms, because we don't want it to be unrealistic. So if we are done, we press OK. Now we've come to the step 3, which is the frequency separation. You can have my actions for free. Just tell me if you want it. Now we will start increase the reduce until the texture blow out. Press OK. Now we will use the mixer brush. Make sure you are on wet or very wet, depending on your image and on your size too. And you will start mixing in the direction of the shadows. Now I'm putting it on black and white so you can easily see the shadows. And we'll start working on the low frequency and start mixing in the direction of the shadows and the light. Don't put shadows over light and light over shadows. Start blending the perfect way as you can. Now I'm going to show you the difference. I'm going to put some arrow to show you the way you have to mix. You cannot mix any way. Keep brushing, so I'm going to show you the way to do it. Now we are done working on the low frequency. We will work on the texture, so we'll try to give a beautiful texture. So keep following me. I'm going to use the clone stamp and try to clone the texture. So keep following me the way I do it. So we can decrease the flow if you want, or if you want another kind of result, you keep them high. If you keep the flow high, you have to make only one click. You don't have to keep pressing the left button on the mouse. So keep following me, make a copy and then click. So it's easy. So as you can see, I speed up the video because I don't want this tutorial to be too long. You can tell me in the comment section if you want a long tutorial or a short tutorial. So I can easily know what you like. Now for the rest, for the other part, I'm going to use the mixer brush, but I'm reducing the effect. That's why I changed the mode to moist. I don't only retouch this way, so I retouch different ways. So I just use the way I feel better for me in the situation. So it's why I'm doing it that way. So if you want another way to retouch, you can watch my other tutorials. But it's the same process. But there are some differences, so you have to watch my tutorial so you can easily see them. Now I'm going to make dodge and burn. I'll start with the burn. That's mean increase the shadows, so it will add more depth on her skin and avoid a flat image. Now I'm going to work on the burn, on the dodge, sorry. Yeah, and just add some glow to her skin. After, if you want, you can decrease the opacity if you want. If you went too high. Now I'm going to add a flare on this lamp, as you can see on the background. So, and I'm going to change the blend mode to overlay, as you can see, and reduce the opacity to make them realistic. Now I'm going to color grade the image. As I told you, if you want my loots, you can tell me in the comment section and I give you the link. So I'm going to reduce the opacity. I'm going to fix her belly in her dress, so I'm going to take the mixer brush. Because of her dress, it's easier for me to do, but if it was another kind of dress with a lot of patterns, it will be very difficult to do it that way. So you won't be able to use the same tricks all the way on all your images. Now I'm going to widen the eyes by using the hue and saturation. It's an easy way to do that, but there's another kind of way. As I told you, you can retouch your image different ways. So if it was a portrait, I'm not sure that I would do it like that, but I could. So there are other ways depending on your subject, if your eyes were different, or if it another kind of image. So I thank you for watching my videos, my tutorial till the end. If you did watch the video till the end, tell me in the comment section so I can put your name on my next tutorial. See you soon. Bye.